part number 3, Halachos of Kli Rishon. Okay, A. Foods may not be placed in a Kli Rishon. Okay, period. Foods may not be placed in a Kli Rishon. The heat of the Kli Rishon, so Kli Rishon in original part, in which it was called, is an extremely potent means of cooking. Therefore, the laws of cooking are no difference with respect to Kli Rishon, that is with any conventional source of heat. So, even though, as we said, we remove from the heat, from the black, from the fire, from whatever we remove it, it's so hot, so it doesn't matter. You put it on an open flame or you put it inside of this pot. No uncooked food or drink may be put inside of the Kli Rishon. Very simple. Because why? As we said, it's going to get cooked. Even after the Kli Rishon is removed from the source of heat. Even after the Kli Rishon is removed from the source of heat. So, of course, I mean, it's not in the source of heat. And that's the problem. I would say the practical problem when people have a cholent, right, and they see that burning, for whatever reason it is burning, and they put the tap water. They put tap water into this crack pot. I saw it like few times. Like I was dumbfounded. Of course, we're not allowed to do that because, as we said, it's going to cook. It's primary vessel. Okay. So if you put hot water, like boiling water, if you have summer boiling water, it's a different story. But not cold water, which is not cool. Okay. So continue. No uncooked food or drink may be put inside of Kli Rishon. Uncooked food. Okay. Even after the Kli Rishon is removed from the source of heat. If Kli Rishon contains hot food or liquid, it is forbidden to immerse any cooked item inside it. So as we said, so now when we say Kli Rishon, it means empty. So even in empty pot, you cannot put things, right? Because why? Because walls are still hot. Or if it has liquid, whatever it has, so this liquid is going to cook whatever you put in there. For example, one may not add any uncooked seasoning. See practical application, for example. So if uncooked seasoning, all of this, all of these herbs that you have there uncooked, they will just dried and that's it, right? To a pot or a hot soup. Okay. Even after the pot has been removed from the source of heat, because the heat of the soup will cook the seasoning, 100%, right? The prohibition of cooking continues until the Kli Rishon, and its contents cool below the temperature of Yatzel Edesbo. So if it's below Yatzel Edesbo, so now you can use it. Otherwise, you're not allowed to put there any uncooked food. So uncooked food, I would think like primarily would be seasoning, if it's soup or something, right?